Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ice cream with a Kitchenaid. First, ensure your Kitchenaid ice cream maker attachment is completely frozen, ideally for over 15 hours, to achieve the best results. Next, gather all your fresh ingredients, including heavy cream, whole milk, and your chosen flavorings. Finally, prepare your ice cream base and chill it thoroughly in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours before you begin churning. To prepare your delicious ice cream base, combine 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, and 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar in a bowl. Whisk these ingredients together until the sugar is completely dissolved, creating a smooth and consistent mixture. Now, incorporate your chosen flavorings, perhaps 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract or a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder for chocolate ice cream. Finally, cover the base and chill it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, or even better overnight, until it is very cold. Now it's time to churn. First, attach your pre-frozen ice cream maker bowl to the Kitchenaid stand mixer. Next, insert the dasher into the bowl and lower the mixer head, securing it firmly in place. Carefully pour your thoroughly chilled ice cream base into the frozen bowl. Turn the mixer to speed 1 and allow it to churn for approximately 20 to 30 minutes, or until the ice cream reaches a soft serve consistency. Once your ice cream has reached a soft serve consistency, carefully transfer it from the Kitchenaid bowl into an airtight container. Place the container in your freezer for at least 4 hours, or until the ice cream is firm enough to scoop. This hardening process ensures a perfect texture. When ready, scoop out generous portions of your delicious homemade ice cream and serve it with your favorite toppings. Enjoy the incredibly rich and creamy treat you've just created.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.